Here's a quick video to show you how to use Teflon tape or plumber's tape to prevent leaks in your fittings. This is a valve that I'm going to be adding a fitting down here to the end. Before I put this fitting on, I need to put the tape on, this Teflon tape on, make sure I don't get any leaks. Now when you put the valve or the fitting on, I'm going to turn it to the right to tighten it in. So when I take this tape, I'm also going to put the tape on going in that same direction so that when I tighten the fitting on, it'll lock into that tape. If I go in the other direction, I'll end up tearing the tape up and it's not as effective. Here we go. Right, just press the tape in just like that. We're going to take our fitting, tighten it down right over top of it. Then we'll take our wrench and really tighten it down, keeping this thing leak free. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.